If you don't have a client yet, it's not because you're not skilled. It's because you're doing everything except what actually works. You're stuck in research mode, watching more YouTube than sending messages, building offers that no one's ever even seen yet. But I'm gonna fix that today. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact step-by-step playbook to get your first paying client, even if you have zero experience, no portfolio, and no clue where to start. Let's get into it. When I first launched my agency, I didn't have testimonials. I didn't have case studies. I didn't even have a dialed-in offer. What I did have, hustle, and a willingness to put myself in front of real people. And guess what? That's all you need to start. There are only 3 ways to get clients. Every successful entrepreneur uses one or a mix of these. Let me break them down. Method 1. Outbound. You go get the clients. This is the fastest, simplest way to get clients, especially if you're starting from zero. Cold DMs and emails. Send messages to business owners with a clear offer. Join niche groups and communities. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter, Discord, wherever your target audience hangs out. Leveraging your network. Tell everyone you know what you do and who you help. Here's a simple DM script you can use today for an example. Hey, parentheses name, I saw your business and love what you're doing. I help this niche get this result without this pain point. Would love to show you how, no charge. Interested? Send 30 of these per day. You will get replies. You do that for a week straight, you'll land your first client, period. Method 2. Inbound. Clients come to you over time. This is the long game. It builds trust and authority. Post value-based content consistently. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. Offer a free resource, lead magnet, PDF, checklist, or training. Create searchable content, YouTube videos, blog posts, or social posts that solve real problems. Inbound doesn't get you a client today, but 30 days from now, you'll have people DMing you asking how to work with you. And that's a position of power. Method 3. Paid. Use ads to speed things up. If you've got a little budget and a strong offer, this can be a shortcut. Run Facebook lead form ads with a simple offer plus a call to action. Google ads for people searching for your service locally. Maybe even sponsor a small niche newsletter or podcast your target client listens to. A beginner paid strategy could look like this. Run a $10 a day Facebook ad offering a free strategy call. Collect leads through a form, book the calls, and focus on the close. Don't overthink funnels. Just get conversations going. But let's be honest, none of this works if your offer sucks. So here's how to make your offer impossible to ignore. Make it specific. Instead of I do social media, say I help gym owners get 10 to 20 new leads per month without running ads. Make it low risk. Offer a trial, guarantee, or pay on results model. If you don't get 5 calls in 30 days, you don't pay. Make it urgent. Only 2 spots left this month. First come, first served. Specific, risk-free, urgent. That's the trifecta. Here's how to actually close the deal once you're talking to someone. Step 1. Start a real conversation. Ask about their business and goals. Step 2. Diagnose the pain. What's not working? What's frustrating them? Step 3. Offer the cure. Show how your service solves that exact problem. Step 4. Make the close easy. Remove the risk and give them a reason to say yes now. Here's a closing line that works. Totally get it. Blank name. What if we did this? I'll run this service for this low risk deal, and if you don't see results in this time frame, you pay nothing. Sound fair? That's how you win. Not with fancy branding, not with a pretty website, with clarity, boldness, and consistency. So here's your challenge. DM 30 people today. Post one valuable piece of content that solves a pain point. Refine your offer until it makes someone say, wait, you can do that? Drop a comment if you're doing the work today. Subscribe if you're serious about building a real business. And like this video if you needed this wake-up call. You have everything you need. Now go get that first client. Let's work.